Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this simple fire effect in UE5 Niagara, and these rocks also assembled in Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. Okay, so someone asked me to create this effect, that's why I just created this. Although this is very simple, I have created lots of fire tutorial already, and these type of rocks I have already used in some tutorial how to scatter on ground like this. So let's do it again. For someone who asked me, I don't remember his name, but he asked me for the fire on rocks. So this is actually particle system duplicated 3 times, although this is just look like this. This is what I created and then I duplicated, but in this one, if you let me just stop play, and if you rotate this, fire will just face upward. It's just going because this is world velocity, not local. So you can rotate your rocks, but fire will go upward. Okay, you can scale this. So what I did exactly, I had